I've tried almost every side hustle you can think of. Drop shipping, print on demand, flipping furniture on Facebook Marketplace, which nearly got me banned after I accidentally listed someone else's couch. Some made money, some completely failed. One cost me $47 and taught me absolutely nothing useful. But this one actually worked. I'm the side hustle professor, and before you ask, no, I don't have a PhD. What I do have is a long, painful, occasionally embarrassing history of trying every side hustle the internet has ever invented. I once spent 3 weeks trying to sell motivational quotes to dog owners on Etsy, made $11, framed it. But through all of that, I've learned something really valuable. I've learned what actually works. And today, I'm going to show you one of the few things that made me real money without running ads, without filming my own face, and without leaving my couch. We're talking about AI influencer accounts, specifically the AI Monk. Stay with me. This is going to be good. You've probably seen these accounts on Instagram or TikTok. A monk, sitting in a temple, maybe on a cliff top, talking about peace, mindfulness, not looking at your phone in the morning. Very calming, very wise. Here's what's wild. There's no monk. It's completely AI generated. The face, the voice, all of it. And some of these accounts blew up to 2.5 million followers in under 45 days, pulling in around $250,000 in profit. I know, I didn't believe it either. But here's the part nobody tells you. This isn't just a trend anymore. New accounts keep popping up. New AI influencer accounts in every niche keep growing because the method works, and most people are too busy overthinking it to actually try it. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build one of these from scratch, step by step. No paid course, no fluff. All right, step 1. We need to create the actual image of the monk. Here's where most people make their first mistake. They copy what's already out there. They generate a generic bald monk in an orange robe and wonder why nobody cares. You need your monk to stand out. Here's how to do it properly. First, find a reference image. Just Google a Buddhist monk, grab a screenshot of one you like, and take it over to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT turn this image into a detailed image prompt for an AI image generator. Ignore any text or icons. ChatGPT will spit out a detailed written description of the monk. Lighting, clothing, facial features, everything. Now take that prompt and go to a tool called Nano Banana. It's an AI image generator. Paste your prompt in, set it to 4K, generate a batch of 4 images. You'll get a few variations. Pick the one that looks most interesting, not the most generic. Think character, not costume. But here's the real trick, and this is where things get interesting. Once you've got a face you like, you can now put that same monk anywhere. Same face, different scene. You can prompt Nano Banana to place him on a mountain cliff top, in a forest at sunrise, inside a candlelit temple. Imagine someone scrolling at midnight and suddenly seeing a monk sitting on the edge of a cliff, staring into the camera. They're stopping. Every time. That's the goal. Make people feel something in the first half second. Okay? Step 2, and this is the most important step in the entire process. Most people waste all their energy trying to make the AI look realistic. They're tweaking lighting, adjusting textures, fussing over lip sync. And that stuff matters, but it's maybe 1% of why a video goes viral. The other 99%? What the monk actually says. Let me give you a quick analogy that made this click for me. In the 1990s, Domino's Pizza was struggling. Their marketing was basically, hey, pizza, 10% off, nobody cared. Then they came up with one line, delivered in 30 minutes or it's free. That single sentence turned the company around, not because of how it was delivered, not because of the graphics, because it said exactly what people wanted to hear. Your script is your Domino's moment. So here's how to find winning scripts without starting from scratch. Go to YouTube or TikTok and search for whatever your monk talks about. Mindfulness, mental health, morning routines, inner peace. Find a short video that's performing well, one with strong engagement. Copy the video link and paste it into a YouTube transcript tool. There are free ones. Just search YouTube transcript. You'll get the full script in seconds. Now bring that transcript into ChatGPT and say, you are a wise monk living in a mountain temple. People seek your guidance. Take this script and rewrite it in your voice. Simple, calm, and wise. Make it easy enough for a 10-year-old to understand. Call the viewer my friend. This is where most people get it wrong. They keep the language too complex. Dumb it down. Seriously, when someone is doom scrolling at 11 p.m., they've lost about half their attention span. You want simple, warm, and direct. Here's an example of what this produces.
My friend, the first few seconds after you wake up are more important than most people realize. Most people grab a phone before they're even fully awake, and without knowing it, their focus, their mood, and their confidence to other people's lies.
And then tell me that doesn't make you stop scrolling. That's a 10 million view script sitting right there, and you made it in about 4 minutes using 2 free tools. Step 3, the voice. Go to a tool called ElevenLabs. They have a voice design feature where you can describe exactly the kind of voice you want. For the monk, try something like elderly Asian American man, calm, warm, slightly slow, friendly tone. Generate it. Listen to it.
Come, sit with me, my friend. Let us speak simply.
It's going to sound genuinely good. Not robot good, actually good. Paste your ChatGPT script in, generate the full voiceover, and download it. The whole process takes maybe 3 minutes. Step 4. This is where it all comes together. And honestly, this part still gets me every time. Take your monk image from Nano Banana. Take your voiceover from ElevenLabs, upload both of them into a tool called HeyGen. HeyGen will sync the voice to the face, animate the mouth, and generate a talking monk video. Hit generate. Wait about a minute, and what you get back is a monk. Your monk, the one you designed, sitting in a temple or on a clifftop, speaking calmly and directly to the camera. The lips sync to the voice. It looks real. This is what I mean when I say AI has changed the game completely. You didn't film anything. You didn't hire anyone. You didn't even have to show your own face. Step 5, editing. And I promise this is fast. Take your video into CapCut, drop it on the timeline, go to auto-captions, hit generate, and it will transcribe everything automatically. Clean up the font a little, make the text readable. Bold, white, clean. That's it. You now have a fully postable video.
Come, sit with me, my friend. Let us speak simply. You drink water each day, but sometimes not in the best way. And little by little, it can trouble your body without you noticing.
Start to finish, maybe 30 minutes your first time. After a few, you're down to 10. And here's the part that changes how you think about this. Once you've got the process down, every single step of it can be handed off. You hire one person to write scripts, one person to generate and edit videos. You post and think strategically. That's how you go from making your first $100 to making real recurring income every month. Okay, let's talk about the part everyone actually wants, the money. Here's how these accounts make it. They grow by posting consistent value-driven content. Mindfulness, health, morning routines, inner peace. The kind of content people save and share. And mixed in with the regular posts, they'll occasionally point followers to their bio. Usually something like,
If you want to know what I take every morning to keep my mind clear, it's linked in my bio.
what's in the bio? A supplement affiliate link. This is where a platform called Amazon Associates comes in for beginners. You sign up for free, find a relevant product, something like a focus supplement, an adaptogen, a sleep aid, generate your affiliate link, and drop it in the bio. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. Now, Amazon's commissions are modest, but there are better options. There are supplement brands that pay anywhere from 30 to 50% commission, and some will work directly with you once you can show consistent posting. That's where the real numbers come in. But if you're just starting out and want something you can set up today, look for affiliate programs like Onnit, which makes Alpha Brain. It's a focus and cognitive supplement, 8-figure brand, and it lines up perfectly with a monk account that talks about mental clarity and inner focus. Here's how I'd write the pitch.
My friend, the elders in our monastery have kept their minds clear and their bodies strong for decades. The one thing we use every morning is not turmeric, not ginger. It is something most people have never tried. Look in my bio if you wish to know.
Mysterious, simple, on brand, and it converts. You can use this same format with any supplement that fits the account's message. The structure stays exactly the same. Look, I've tried a lot of things. I've sold digital products that nobody wanted. I've built websites that got 0 traffic. I once spent a full weekend setting up a dropshipping store that made 4 sales before the supplier went out of business. But this system, building AI influencer accounts, growing them with consistent content, and monetizing through affiliate products, this one actually makes sense. It's repeatable, it's scalable, and you can start today with free tools. Here's the quick recap. 1. Create your monk image using Nano Banana. Make it unique. 2. Write your script using ChatGPT. Keep it simple. Think 10-year-old. Think doom scroller. 3. Generate the voice in ElevenLabs. Warm, calm, monk-like. 4. Animate the video in HeyGen. Upload image, upload voice, hit generate. 5. Edit in CapCut. Add captions. Done. 6. Post consistently. Point followers to affiliate products in your bio. That's the whole system. If you try this and it works, even a little, come back and tell me. Those comments mean more than you'd think. See you in the next one.